In this video, we'll demonstrate how to migrate blueprints using Optovia's Content Migrator. As you know, there are no out-of-the-box solutions to extract or migrate blueprints from one system to another, so users must manually recreate or make updates to existing blueprints when migrating from one system to another, and that can lead to errors when you manually create the blueprints. So the Content Migrator is free, and it utilizes the REST API to enable a user to seamlessly bring a blueprint from one environment to another. It allows users to create and download a blueprint package, which enables a manual upload to other systems or for backing up your blueprints. And it can migrate the following blueprint information: sections, field changes, visuals, modules, business rules, and create from template. What are the benefits? Well, first, it reduces the manual effort required when bringing a new or updated blueprint from one system to another. It migrates a blueprint by downloading then uploading to a new environment, and as we mentioned earlier, it's free. So let's see how to migrate a blueprint. Navigate over to Custom Objects and select Content Migrator. You'll want to add a row and enter the name of what you're going to be doing. In this case, I'm going to export a blueprint, and you can be more descriptive than that. Select on the row that you just created, and from in here you can go into Content Type and you can select Blueprint, View. We are working on field level security and it should be ready shortly. So I'm going to navigate and I'm going to select Blueprint. Under Object Name, you'll select the object that's associated with the blueprint. In this case, ours is going to be a project blueprint. Under Content Name, you would select the blueprint name. And here I'm going to use Standard Project for 2021. You can put a description in here as to what you're doing. And then up in Actions, you click on it and select Export. It'll tell you that the export is successfully started. And in a few moments, you press F5 to refresh your screen. And after it's refreshed, it will tell you if the blueprint package was created successfully, and also the name of the file that was been created. It creates a JSON file, and you can select it and save it locally, or if you want to import it with a new name, you can do that as well. You could save this file, send it over to another computer that has the Content Migrator on it and import it, and that would import your blueprint. But in case I want to make a backup of my standard project, I can actually give it a new name, Standard Project 2022, the one I want to use for next year. And I can now go into Actions and click on Import. Just as the export process, you can press F5 or refresh your browser, and you may have to do this a couple times. And as you can see, it's now been imported. It tells us Standard Project 2022 has been created successfully. It's telling us the sections that have been created, the modules it's brought in. And if we want to go down and look at our blueprint, we'll go down to Administration, click on Blueprints, and we can scroll down. And there's our Standard Project 2022 that we've just created. The Content Migrator solution is the first of its kind and is a result of listening to clients and our close friends at Broadcom. You asked and we delivered. You can now migrate blueprints, views, and more is coming. Looking for more Clarity content functionality? Reach out to us. We are pleased to offer this new utility as part of Optovia's open source. Follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and become part of our Optovia open source. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos as they become available.